What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at the new Bose Soundlink Flex portable Bluetooth speaker. This is one of the latest speakers from Bose. It's coming with a price tag of 150 bucks, and as far as colors, you have three different options. You have black, which is what we have here today. You also have a blue as well as a white. So as far as specs, you're going to get roughly 12 hours on a full charge. You're also getting an IP67 dust and water resistant rating, which makes this safe for all types of environments. So if you want to take it to work, if you're like a contractor or something like that, you do a lot of woodworking and maybe it gets dusty around your area, this is going to be perfectly fine. Or if you have it outdoors, happens to rain, or if you take it by the pool and you happen to drop it in the pool or something like that, it's going to stand up to a lot of different elements. And you can also pair the speaker up with other Bose speakers. So if you have another Soundlink speaker or just any other Bose speaker, you can pair them together and get kind of like a stereo mode or a party mode. So as far as like the design and the build, I do like the overall size of it. As you can see, it does fit well just in one hand, and the majority of it is covered in this rubberized coating, which makes it super easy to grip. And it also helps with the overall durability. So if you drop this thing, chances are, you're gonna bump this rubber coating, which is gonna hold up very well. The front of the speaker has kind of this, hard plastic grill. You got your branding there as well. On one side of the speaker, you do have this kind of nylon loop, which you can use to, hang the speaker or attach it to like a bag or something like that. So you got some options there. And then on the other side is where you have your USB Type-C charging port. Something else that they're advertising about this speaker is called Position IQ. And basically, according to Bose, what that means is no matter how you have the speaker oriented, whether you have it just, sitting down like so, or if you're using the loop to hang it up, maybe vertically, no matter how you have it resting, it's supposed to, I guess, kind of detect the position and give you the best audio quality no matter what. I haven't really had a chance to kind of test that out yet, but I did see that mentioned on the Bose website. This also features microphones, so if you have it hooked up to your phone and a phone call comes through, you can leave it connected and go ahead and answer the phone and handle your phone call directly through the speaker. So let's go ahead and do a microphone test to give you guys a rough idea as to how you would sound if you choose to take phone calls with the speaker. All right, so the audio that you're hearing right now is being recorded directly through the speaker. As you can see, I'm pretty close to the speaker, so it should be picking up my voice pretty well. And then obviously the further away you are from it, your voice is going to sound a little more distant. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to step away from it. All right, so I'm just walking across to the other side of the room. And I would say I'm probably about 10 feet away from the speaker right now. So if you're like, across on the other side of the room and a call comes through, you happen to answer it, this should give you an idea as to how you sound. I'm not really going to know until I edit this video, but I'm just going to guess that it sounds a little bit distant, but you should be able to pick up my voice. So before we touch on the sound quality, which, by the way, spoiler alert, is the highlight of the speaker, no questions about it. This thing sounds phenomenal. I just want to talk about one thing that I'm not a fan of, and that's the buttons. So you have the buttons on the top of the speaker here, and as you can see, they're kind of indented, and it just feels like they're a little bit hard to press. I feel like I have to use, more pressure than I would like to press the buttons. Now that's super small. I can easily live with that, but I did want to mention it. So in the middle there, you have your play button, which is also like your multi-function button. So you can play and pause, track forward, track backward, do all those cool things. Then you have your volume up and down buttons. You have your power button and then your Bluetooth pairing button. Now let's go ahead and talk about the sound quality of this speaker. So for me, this speaker is kind of like a breath of fresh air when it comes to sound quality and Bose products, because personally, when it comes to Bose headphones and their earbuds, they're known for having more of that neutral type of sound, more of that flat sound signature, which is cool. I mean, a lot of people are into that, but personally, that's not really my style. I like more of a dynamic type of sound. And with this speaker, I feel like you are getting that. The treble is super clean. It's some of the cleanest treble I've ever heard on a speaker, especially this size. So everything comes through super clear, super detailed. And then also the bass, it's so deep and just rich, and it gives you some amazing bass presence without sounding like muddy or sounding like, you know, it's trying too hard. Sometime with, you know, smaller portable speakers, once you really, you know, up that volume, if you're playing a bass heavy song, you know, a lot of times it sounds like the bass is struggling to keep up, but I never got that impression with this speaker. It just, no matter what, it sounds super clean, super detailed, and I definitely have to get some other speakers that are, you know, of similar size and similar price range and make some comparison videos, because I'm gonna go out on a limb and probably say for this size and price range around 150 bucks, this probably has the best sound quality out there. Now, I haven't tested every speaker out there, you know, that is similar to this, so we'll have to see. But as far as the sound, I'm definitely impressed, and I can definitely see myself using this on a regular basis. So we're gonna end the video with some audio samples to hopefully give you guys an idea of the sound. Obviously over the camera, it's not gonna be an exact representation, but it's better than nothing. But overall, I definitely like this speaker, man. At 150, I think this is a no-brainer. Sound quality is excellent. Build quality, durability, all of that is excellent. So let's go ahead and get into the audio samples.
She wanna know me, I stay low key, all gas, no breaks, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be, baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Cause you riding on a team, got with lights on. I'm fading, angels, oh my.
Destruction. And I'm back to a place